What's up, y'all? It's your boy Sam, aka Mr. GT Game Time. I'm a 6-foot guard, explosive, 3-level scorer, and I like to let my game speak for itself.
What's up, y'all? My name is Jordan Lynn. I'll be playing, I think his name is Sam, in this 1v1. Very physical player, very under control. He's played overseas, I saw.
Been a pro basketball player now for the last 6 years or something like that. Won guard of the year, import player of the year in a few different countries. So
I've played in the next chapter. I played in the 23 league.
That don't really matter. I like me over him just because of my work ethic and what I've brought to this game over the last 10 years.
I played in those things, so I have a little experience with 1v1s. I played a 2v2 and a 3v3. I'm kind of just getting used to the YouTube channel, but the YouTube, like seeing. But going into this game, yeah, if I'm hitting my shots and playing my physical, I think I have a good chance against Sam. Hopefully it's a dogfight.
Good D.
It's ones, blood. Come on. I know, blood. Come on, bro. You watching up YouTube, bro. Come on. It's not, bro.
3-5, 3-5. Halftime coming.
What they say?
I like it. Come on. Come on. Show out. Good D. Tough.
Nigga go up.
Shit is weak, bro. I did the same thing. I'm stronger, bro. All right, cool. Hey! Oh my God.
That's not no strong shit.
It's like, bro. We did the same shit. I don't do all the antics, bud. I don't do all the antics, bud. That shit is weak. It is. Nigga yell,
Fucking who?
Nigga yell, oh, it's a foul. I'm gonna talk every time. Every time I'm saying something. Just keep doing that. That shit is
Oh, that's Tim. I took the ball. Come on, man. Lose it.
You here for a reason, bro. What you see, brother?
You know, I just gotta make some shots. He giving me what I want. I just gotta take it. I'll let him cry about the calls and shit.
Play your game, bro. Play your game. Get to your spots.
Yeah, we here.
Let's do it. What you seeing, Lance?
good, bro. Gotta make my shots.
Simple.
We good now. Somebody get the half, man.
Hey, get one. Relax, nigga. Come on, man.
It's a line, it's just basketball.
What they say on next chapter? Halftime.
I don't the Browns. I'm getting tired of this every time, bro.
You right. 17-13, bro. Just take what he give you. Take what he give you. When you get below this white line on my mama, I'm good, bro. Keep getting that soft touch. Stop there.
Cause you in your hand in there. If I can't go through you, nigga, it's a foul. basketball.
Oh, man, fuck!
Show your hands, man. Go ahead, show your hands.
It's a good one! It's a good one! Ooh-wee! 24-22, bro. D up. D up, bro. Yeah. Ooh!
Then I tell you this bitch gonna be.
Ooh! Hey! Definitely do.
Told y'all niggas, man. I told y'all this what I needed. This what we need. This what we needed.
That's a reach across the body. That's the same shit. Oh, man, no, it's not. If I reach across the body, that's the same shit, bro. You calling that same shit? It's not. It don't matter if you hit the ball, nigga. If you reach across your body, it's cool. It's cool. You say keep your hands out, but niggas reaching, you don't call it, blood. You're right. It's cool. Nah, one foul ball. Okay. One. Remember that. One. Oh, and what? Come on, even my mouth. Damn. That's on me. I gotta take that shot. I slid. Don't stand over it. I slid. Time out. Oh, yeah. Oh. That shit. Water real quick. You can get every fail, bro. I got 1 foul, you got 5.
Foul count is kind of fucked up.
5-1. It's 5-1. You caught 1 foul for me. You caught 1 foul for me. I shot 1 free throw. On my mother, I shot 1 free throw. It's on film. I shot 1 free throw. On my daughter, I shot 1 free throw. Nigga. This nigga shot 4. I ain't fouling him every fucking play, bro. 1-on-1, you ain't giving nobody no leeway to even be aggressive. I gotta play. No, you not, bro. Let's get it's easy. 27.
Yeah, Jordan, yeah, 23, 27.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a turnover. We got you, brother.
That is a flop. That's a flop.
All right. The nigga was 10 times. I don't need an explanation. Man. It's cool. It's all good. I'm not worried about it. I'm not mad at you, right, bro? I ain't taking it out. 26.
God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
You got, bro, 27, 29.
It's a good game, man.
Finish this bitch, bro. Y'all playing with y'all food. Eat. Come on. Let's go, Ma.
And one, nigga! Take that shit off, I'm him, nigga!
I told a bitch I'm him, quit playing. Ride with a boss, with bitch get in. Stay on the road like the Michelin man.
That's game, good work. Your favorite ref, ask about it. Varsity soon, college soon.
What you mean? What that is your pain? What you mean? It's a drink. Bitch, all got friends. All my niggas the same. Bitch, all got friends. My niggas gorillas. 30 racks summer, I ride with a killer. Big ass bear, same size of pillar.
What's up, brother? Who your matchup? Rags, who you want? You. He talking about me?